Okay, today we are gonna reach level 1000. Well, not really. In this video, I'm using my Poison for my videos, so I cannot make a video more than like 18 minutes. So let's start the grind. So we will start with team fight. Yeah, I joined the wrong team. Alright. Alright. Boom. What? Alright, this nose is 4 minutes long. Which means I've been recording for 1 minute. Oh, how did you not see me? I swear, why am I even getting killed by? Holy shit. Why did you not count as a fucking kill? Oh, that's it, after. Oh. Yeah. I just got up. Look at me. Look at me. What? What? How does this guy just kill his own team? Oh my gosh. The hackers absolutely cannot be real. Why do I send the team with a lower amount of players? I don't know what was that. Yeah, let's just go and battle PvP. Why is it taking so long? Can you just slow me into a battle PvP server already? Loading into a battle PvP server, and I got the most useless thing of all time. Oh my gosh! What is up with my log? At least it's something new. Bro. Wait, there are only 3 people alive. And now it's just me and that guy. Mr. Fluffy. It's just me and Mr. Fluffy. Let's see if I can win this 1v1. Looks like I can. I just have to take cover. Ooh. Ooh. Does not look that good for me. is a chest. And there's also a Gurad. Oh, seriously? That was easy. Yo, what's up, B? I'm just gonna skip it. Sorry, cause that's what I was about to say. I'm just gonna skip this because this is crazy boring. He ended up leaving. Everyone left. Alright, we're currently on level 69. Let's do more. Let's go on Battle Royale PvP. Oh, I did. Oh. Seriously. Why haven't they fixed this yet? What? Battle Royale PvP. Battle Royale PvP. Battle Royale PvP. What? What the? This was a clone. Which means this video, I think this video will get separated. Holy, so many alive and so many dead. Anyway, from where do these people get these guns from? Seriously, I'm not fucking good at why, only good at. There goes my pee-pee! Please found that bit. Seriously, dead that. Today. You're supposed to show that. Oh. Yeah, I'm hiding here. Ain't no one fighting me. I'm just gonna skip it because it's very boring. A little later. Macarena, Macarena, Macarena. That's Macarena, Macarena, Macarena. I'm not getting kicked for fucking hiding. Like, what the hell? These facts or facts of skipping. I'll come out. Leave me alone, please. Leave me alone. Okay. Seriously. Anyways, still on 69. Seriously, fucking seriously. And not and fucking. Why not racing? I'll go with this one. Wait a minute, I can? Yes, I can. Oh my gosh, I can skip big spots. This feels like a cheat code. Oh, but I don't get anything yet. If I see it. Oh, this. No, I will be back in a bit. Let's pick this. Oh, it's pretty fast. Mm-hmm. Asaido. What the f- Asaido. 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 I'm sick of singing this shit. Oh, that's on fucking 6th place. Race time, what is race time? Best lap? 55. Ooh, level 73 in these muscles. Alright, that's the end of the video, and Champaka. Why did I just switch languages out? Nowhere any civil language I don't even know.